videos. They're taking too long to upload tonight, so I'm gonna upload them tomorrow because I'm gonna be going to sleep in a minute, and I want to watch some YouTube on my phone before I go to sleep. So I just want to make this little video saying that. So, anyways, and while we're at it, this is gonna be a lung kit too. Might cough, sorry. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna tell you what we have. In this, we have 50 Nick, which is strawberry. In this, it's 50 Nick mango, and in this, it's 30 mint. It's soulless mint, 30 Nick. This is soulless strawberry, 50, and this is 50 mango mint. We're gonna hit it one more time, then that's the end of this video. I can tell there's a buzz there, but I need to top it off. Till next time, peace out.